Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to claim the welcome bonus on Bitget. Start by opening the Bitget website in your browser. Make sure to log in to your account. Next, go to the profile icon in the top navigation bar. Then, you'll see different options and click on rewards. Now, click on daily check-in and you can claim points every day. Check in for 5 days in a row to get 26 points. Here, hit the Claim Now button and it'll give you your daily points. After that, complete the given task to earn 20 more points. You'll also find different options like share 10,000 BGB, referral, identity, verification zone, exclusive tasks, and future kicks off. You can vote to win and it'll also show you the daily task. Daily tasks include daily future trades, daily deposit, daily spot trade, and daily copy trades. It also includes daily spot margin trade, daily trending bot, and daily referral. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.